Creator review, the quick for KDP coloring book creator. Hi everyone, welcome to my honest new creator review. If you are trying to make money selling coloring books on Amazon KDP, you're probably realized one thing. Most AI tools like Midjourney or Dell create messy shaded image that are not usable for coloring book. That's exactly where new creator come in. It's an AI tool built specifically for clean black and white lean text, so you can create professional coloring page ready to upload to Amazon KDP in minutes. What is New Creator? New Creator is dedicated AI software designed for one job: create high quality coloring book page. You type in simple idea like cute cats with flowers and instantly gives you four clean printable line art design ready for your coloring books. The top three biggest wins of New Creator. 1. Professional quality image. New Creator lets you download SVG vector files, which mean your art stay crisp and sharp at any size. Whether you're creating a small activity book or a large format coloring book, your design will never lose quality. A must for successful Amazon KDP coloring books. And 2. KDP Ready Book Builder. One of the biggest hitches for creator is formatting their books. Nurie Creator solves this by automatically generated a print-ready PDF. You choose the book size around your page, and the tool formats everything, including margin and bleed setting, so you can upload directly to KDP without complicated design software. 3. Built in a niche style, the platform comes with pre-designed art style like kawaii mandala, animals, nature, and more. This makes it easy to target profitable niches quickly, even if you are beginner with no design experience. Reality check: what you should know. No free traffic. New creator wasn't magically bring buyer to your book. You still need to do keyword research and niche selection and SEO on Amazon. And extra cost. The basic plan is affordable, but advanced features like a limited image or premium art packs are part of optional upgrades. Autos. Final vertical. Is New Creator worth it? Yes, 100%. If you are serious about building a scalable KDP coloring book business, this tool solves the biggest problem: creating clean, high quality lean art fast. It saves your hour of editing, removes the need for expensive design software, and makes the publishing process beginner friendly and profitable. For anyone looking to turn coloring book into passive income stream on Amazon, New Creator is a smart investment. Now, if you want to take New Creator, I will leave my affiliate link in description. Thank you. See you later.